Hey guys, this is just a short video on how to adjust the mic sensitivity on your PlayStation 4. There's been tons of times where I'm in a game playing Apex Legends or something and my teammate, their mic is turned up way too high so I can hear their whole house coming through their mic. So I'm able to change that the long way from the main menu here. If you go up to settings and then go down to devices, audio devices, right here where you adjust microphone level, if you hit X on there, here's your input and your sensitivity. So you can just hit left and right on the D-pad or the joystick on the left, and it's going to show you when volume's coming through. So when I'm not talking, you see how someone's bleeding through there? If it's turned up too high, it's going to pick up a lot of background noise. So you're going to want it at a decent volume to where you're peaking around good, but you're not picking up too much background noise. And this is a room mic that I have plugged in, not my headset. The headset's plugged into my computer, so that doesn't apply right now. So I'd probably aim for somewhere around here. That's probably pretty good. And then if your teammates need to hear a little more, you can always go up. That's one way you can do it. If we go back to the main screen, if you're in a game or even here anywhere, if you hold your PlayStation button for just a second, it'll pop up to where it shows this. If you go down to sound devices, over, there's just a shortcut right there. You can do the same thing. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like the videos so far, subscribe to the channel so you can get notifications when I post more. Give it a thumbs up as well. I appreciate you watching, and if you got any more videos you'd like to see, let me know. Take it easy.